So, so guys, voice is clear. Please, any one of you confirm me once. Is audio and video everything is okay? Then I will start the session. One of you please confirm me. Chalo, all right. So first of all, welcome to MVC Academy. We are conducted one exam, CSAT exam, right? Chalo, 25 questions. We are going to discuss all the solutions now in this session. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Chalo. Look at this. What is the first question given? Sum of two numbers is 112, 112. Sum of LCM HCF and the difference of LCM and HCF is equal to 208 and 176 respectively. Okay, they are asking what is the smaller number. Chalo. So first of all, this question is from number systems. Okay, in number systems, least common multiple LCM and highest common factor, another important concept. So these two concepts are very important. First of all, according to question, what is given? LCM plus HCF is equal to, sum is given 208. Similarly, difference is given, it is 176. We have to find what is LCM, what is HCF. Okay, add these two equations. Now it is 2 into LCM, HCF minus HCF gets cancelled. This side 4, 1, 8, 384. Then what is LCM? LCM equal to 192. What is HCF from this equation? 192 minus 176, it is actually just 16. Okay, we got this result. We got HCF and LCM. What is next? Go to first line. Sum of two numbers is given 112. We don't know what are the numbers, but you know highest common factor, which is 16. So we assume numbers as 16a and 16b. Okay, what are a and b here? They are co-prime numbers. Why 16 is multiplied? Because it is common factor. Sum equal to 16a plus 16b equal to 112. So what is a plus b? 112 divided by 16 means it is 7. A plus b equal to 7. There are many cases, like a may be 1, in that case b will be 6. A may be 2, in that case b may be 5. A may be 3, b may be 4. You have to maintain sum equal to 7. For example, if a is 3, b is 4, what are the numbers? They are not real numbers. Real numbers are 16 3s are 48. Second number is 16 4s are 64. So they are asking for smaller number. It means 48. 48 is answer. Look at these options. Okay, 48 is given. Option C. Anyway, without doing all this, how to guess the answer? See, first of all, once you get this HCF equal to 16, then your answer is must be 16 multiple. 16 multiple means maybe option C or option D. Okay. Then you can take 48 and 64, HCF is 16, find out LCM. If LCM is equal to 192, then this is perfect set. So answer is smaller number, right? Option C. That's all. Okay. This question level is moderate. You have to practice what is LCM, HCF and all. What is second question? So in the passage, there are two statements given. They are asking the above passage implies that. Okay. It is given clearly, open source collaboration is not a better alternative than corporate. This information given in the passage, so statement 1 is not correct statement. Statement 2 is given clearly in passage, so that's why answer is option B. Just it is very simple passage. You have to read passage for at least one time. That's all. That is enough to answer this question. Okay. Go to this one, third question. What is given here? Some big passage is something like that. It is given. Third one is, how far is point M from point S? We need to find distance between M and S. There is no space, okay. Chalo, based on the statements, based on the given statements, we have to find the answer. Maybe just statement 1 is enough to get the answer, or maybe statement 2 is required to get the answer. We have to find this. Chalo. I'll draw the figure. One second. What is given here? We need to find the distance between M to S. First statement is given like this. Point S is 7 meters to south of point M. Say this is M. Then S is 7 meters to south side of M. This is 7, now it is S. Point T is east of point S. This is T. What is the distance? 4 meters. Then point R is north side of point T. How much? It is just 4. Next one. Point Q is west side of point P. Okay. Then point R 4 meters to north of point Q. Okay. We can develop the diagram like this. But what is the question? This is a big trap in the exam. You know, UPSC also gives lot of traps, you can say. They give big information, but answer will be simple. Look at this question also. Here they are asking just M to S. M to S, we are getting the answer within the first statement, that to first line only. So answer is 7 meters of course, but statement 1 is giving the answer. Statement 1 is giving the answer. So what is the right answer now? Option A. Yes, option A is the right answer. Chalo, this one is one of the best question in today's paper. Look at this. What is given? There are 2 points X and Y. Distance between them is 100 meters. There are 5 heavy stones are placed 2 meters apart. 2 meters. After every 2 meters, you will see 1 stone. Beginning at the end X, okay. A worker starting at X has to transport all the stones to Y by carrying only one stone at a time. Okay. The minimum distance he has to travel. Fine. If you take a straight line from X to Y, it will be like this. This is 100 meters long. Say first one is located this after 2 meters. Say first one is located at 0, no problem, we can take. Then 4, 0 to 2, 2 meters you have to maintain, 2 to 4, then 6, then 8. Okay. If you take this, you have to move from X to Y for the first one. What is X to Y distance? You have to travel 100 meters. Is it meters? 100 meters you have to travel. Then for the second stone, you have to come to this point. 100 minus 2, which is 98 meters. Again, you have to transport this to this place, right? So another 98 will be added. It means 98 twos are 98 plus 98. Then 100 minus 4 means 96. 96 and 96. So 96 twos are plus this one 94 and 94. 94 twos are, and this one 92 into 92. If you add all this, you will get answer 480 860. This is the final answer. That's all. See, at a time you can carry only one stone. This is important line in this question. Clear? Chalo. Next one, question number 5. What is given here? Who among P, Q, R, S, T is in the middle while standing in a line? Okay. So question is, they are asking who is the middle person. This is, you can say, question is from puzzle or seating arrangement. Okay. So based on the given statements, we need to develop the diagram. What is given here? First statement, Q is right side of T. By default, normally all are facing to north. So this side is called right, this side is called left. Take T. Who is right side? Q. S is between P and T. Already T right side is filled by Q, means S will be on this side. So S and P. Then Q is between T and R, T and R. So we used all three statements to get this sequence. Right? All three statements are required to find the answer. Who is the middle person? T is the middle person. It means option D is the answer. Option D. Okay. Chalo. Now this question is from reasoning. Look at this. What digit will come in a place of question mark? Okay. So what is the number at this question mark? Look at this. Outer numbers are 5, 2, 4, 3. What is their sum? It is 14. But what is given? 28. Means simply twice. Answer is 28. So outside the numbers added, this outside the numbers added, multiplied by 2. Then this is the result. So here result given 42. Take the half, 21. Means sum must be 21. So it is 8 plus 8 plus 4 plus how much equal to 21. So what is the answer? 1. 1 means option C is the right answer. Option C. Chalo. One more question from series. Given series is 1, 5, 14, 30, 55, 91, 140. Okay. So we need to find what is the next number after 140. What is the next number? Such type of questions are always, you can say it is interesting, but sometimes even they are very tough. If you can crack the logic within 30 or 40 seconds, go with it. If you don't get the logic within 30 or 40 seconds, then just leave it. Okay? Because in number series, we have so many hundreds, thousands of logics are there. So getting the logic in within 30 or 40 seconds is important. See the difference? 4. Here difference? 9, 16, 25. What is your observation? They are squares, perfect squares. 36, 6 square. Next 40, sorry, 1 second, 25, 36. What is missing here? Yeah, 49 means 140. Then add 64. 140 plus 64, answer is 204, right? Option C. So in number systems we say try to remember squares, try to remember cubes, okay? Nobody will ask questions directly from squares and cubes, but in this type of questions they are useful, okay? Chalo. We'll go to next one. After reading the passage, you can easily understand, especially the first one. This is no way related. See, from the passage, questions are almost very direct, okay? Just read the passage, try to understand the options. And second one is, of course, societies were not always organized on the lines of nation states. This is the most logical assumption from the above passage, okay? Next one. Each family in a locality has at most means maximum 2 adults, and no family has fewer than 3 children. Considering all the families together, there are more adults than boys. Boys are more than girls, and girls are more than number of families. For example, if number of families are 2, girls will be minimum 3, boys will be more than girls means 4, then number of adults will be even number because 2 couples, okay? Minimum 6. It will be like this. Just I am taking one example. Chalo. Then minimum possible number of families in the locality. Of course, if you take number of families like this, for example 2, okay, number of families if you take 2, what happens? Number of adults also 4 only, because 2 families, 2 2s are 4, but this is not possible because 4 is not greater than 4. So, number of families 2 is not correct. We have to guess we have to take the values from the options, especially this 192 no use. Out of 4 and 3, 3 is the least one. I am not saying this is the answer directly, I am not saying this, we have to check. If 3 are the number of families, chalo, we will see, number of families are 3, then girls are more than families means minimum number of girls are 4, then number of boys will be 5, right. Then number of adults 3 2s are 6, here also 6 is greater than 5, perfectly matching, 6 is greater than 5, greater than 4, greater than 3. By reading the question, we thought it will be a complicated equation, how to solve this. But when you take the options, that logic is decoded, right. This way, thought process is important. Seriously, thought process is important. Just take the options, but you have to keep all the things, all the conditions in your mind, like number of girls are more than number of families, boys are more than girls, then adults are more than boys. Okay, perfect. Next one. Every letter, every alternate letter of English alphabet, okay, is written in lower case such that 21st letter is in capital letter and the remaining letters are capitalized. 21st letter is in capital, okay, remaining letters are capitalized. Then how many vowels will be written in the capital letters? See, vowels means normally A, E, I, O, U. What are their sequence numbers? A is 1, E is 5, I is 9, O is 15, U is 21. All are odd numbers. All are odd numbers. If it is odd number, what is the style of alphabet, whether it is capital or smaller letter, we will see. The set, okay, 21st letter is in capital, okay, means what is that? U, right? U number is 21, they are saying it is capital. And remaining letters are also capitalized. It means what is the 21 actually? Odd number. So all this odd number they are saying capital. Even numbers are smaller. Luckily all the vowels numbers are odd numbers. So all are capital letters. How many vowels written in capital means all 5. So option A. Option A is the answer. That's all. Okay. Chalo, next one. This one is excellent question really. A man is celebrating his 100th birthday on 16th June 2024. Then the day of the week on which he was born. Okay. 100 years. After 100 years, what about number of odd days? For example, what is today? Today is Wednesday. After 100 years, what is the day? You know, in calendars, this number of odd days is very, very important concept. We will remember all this. 100 years means 5 odd days. 200 years means 3 odd days. We have to remember them just for easy simplification. Shortcuts. 300 years means 1 odd day. All are odd numbers. 400 years means 0 odd days. What is 0 odd days? It means day will be repeating. Today is Wednesday. What is the day after 400 years? 0 odd days, same day will be repeating after 400 years also. Okay. Here also they are asking for 100. It means we don't know what is that day, say it is X. 100 years back, day was X. Now 100th birthday celebrating, it means after 100 years. So add 5 odd days. So what is the day now? 16th June 2024. But what is 16th June 2024? We have to find this. This is big task now. Okay. If you know this, maybe it is Sunday or Monday, Tuesday, whatever. Say for example, this is Sunday. Then that 100 years back day was the day Sunday minus 5. It will be like this. But how to find 16th June 2024? Okay. There is a procedure. We have to divide into 2 ranges. First one is take 1 year less. This is called number of years completed. So from the first day, it means first day of first year to till 2023, how many odd days will be there? You have to find this. Again divide like this, 2023. 2000 years means 0 odd days. 23 years means how many odd days? In 23, some years are leap years. How many years are leap years? 5 years. So shortcut is number of years plus number of leap years equal to number of odd days. 28 means 0. This is over. Till 2023 December 31st, no odd days, 0. Then go to this particular year. 2024 1st January to 16th June, how many days? January 31 days, 3 odd days. February leap year, 29 days, 1 odd day. March means 3 odd days plus 3. April means 2. May means 3. Okay. June means 16. Look at this. Again sum equal to 0 means 7 multiple. 7 multiple means 0. So 0 odd day means there are day codes. Sunday is 0, Monday is 1, Tuesday is 2, Saturday is 6th. Okay, we got 0 means sorry. So this day is Sunday. Now Sunday minus 5, so answer is Tuesday. Just count manually, answer is Tuesday. Option A. That's all. Okay, na? So far if you have any doubts, please ask me. Consider the following information carefully. Answer the questions given below. There are 7 persons sitting in a circle and are facing the circle, facing towards center, actually center of the circle. Chalo, we have to find their places. Total how many? 7. Chalo. All are facing towards center. Center means like this. This is the center. This is called right. This is called left. If you face outwards, this is called right. This is called left. Here all are facing towards center. G is third to left of A. A. Facing towards center. This is left, this is right. Third to left side of A. 1, 2, 3. This is called G. Next, F is third to left of B. Where you will take? We'll see. D is not the neighbor of G. You can't take D here. C is the neighbor of A. So maybe here or here. C. B is to immediate left of A. Immediate left means B is here. B is here, C is here. Go back to the statements. F is third to left of B. 1, 2, 3. F is here. D is not the neighbor of G. So you can't take D here. Means D will be here. You got A, B, C, D, F, G. E is missing. Put E here. This is the final diagram. Chalo. Which of the following pairs has its first members not sitting to the immediate left of this second member? Okay. Which of the following pairs has its first members not sitting to immediate left of the second member? Okay, 1 second. What is the question here? Some word is missing. Which of the following pairs has its first member not sitting to immediate left of the second member? Okay, if you take AC, for example, option B. AC means A is immediate left of C. No. Okay. They are asking for not sitting. EB, E also sitting left side of B. GE, G also sitting left side of E. Only DC, D sitting right side of C, right side of C. This is right side. So option C is not sitting. Option C. That's all. Same question. Next one. What is the correct sitting position of E? Where is E? E is in between G and B, right? We'll see. Immediate right side of G. Immediate right side of G means option D. So this is right side. So option D is the right answer. A number x is odd prime if y equal to x to the power of 4, Then how many factors does have? Okay, does y have? Okay. For example, y is equal to 2 power 4. In number systems, we study if it is a prime number. Number of factors, directly there is a shortcut. Take the power. It is 4 plus 1. Add 1, right? That is 5. That's all. For example, take one more number. If y equal to 2 power 4 into 3 square, then how many total factors are there? 4 plus 1, 5. 2 plus 1, 3. Multiply this 2, answer is 15. Okay, na? X, Y, Z are three distinct prime numbers. Exactly one of these three primes is less than 5. Good question again. So one of the number is less than 5, maybe 2, maybe 3. X plus Y plus Z is even. They are saying it is even. Okay. Which of the following is not possible value of X? Which of the value is not possible of X plus Y plus Z? Okay. X plus Y plus Z is even. This is important line. Sum must be even. What are the prime numbers? Apart from 2, every number is odd number. If you take these two are above 5, odd number plus odd number is even. So X must be even. Then only finally you will get even value. Let us fix X equal to 2. What is Y plus Z? It is 20 minus 2 if you go with options. 22 minus 2, it is 20. So in first case, Y plus Z equal to 20. Then what is next? Y plus Z equal to 20 means, guess some prime numbers. Yeah, 39, 7. Perfect. Option B, Y plus Z is equal to 20 minus 2 means 18. Y may be 13, Z may be 5. Perfect. 18 minus 2, 16. Again, you will get 11 and 5. But for 12, option D, all three are satisfied, means option D will be answer. But we will check this. Y plus Z is equal to 10. Because 12 minus 2, 10. So which prime numbers you will take? 7 and 3, perfect, but only one of the number is less than 5. So this is not possible, option D. Okay. So what least number must be added to each pair of the numbers so that they are in the ratio 7:16? Now ratio becomes 13:12. 7 by 16 becomes 13 by 12, sorry 22. So what is added? Go with options. Simply go with options. Option C, 7 plus 6, 13, 16 plus 6, 22. Of course, they are ratios. 7:16 means you can assume first number 7, second number 16. You can assume. If you add 6, it becomes 13:22. Goods are purchased for 120, one-third sold at loss of 5%. Then, at what percentage of profit should remaining sold to obtain overall profit percentage is 5? On 120, forget about this figure. One-third means one-third. Remaining is two-third. So I'll tell you shortcut. One-third should be multiplied by What is given here? Loss. Loss means multiply with minus 5 plus remaining part 2/3. We don't know what is profit percentage, say it is K, but overall profit is 5. Let us take 5. 1 into minus 5 plus 2K is equal to 3 5s are 15. What is 2K? 15 plus this 5, it is 20. What is K? 20 by 2 means it is 10. So overall profit is, no, what is given here? Extremely sorry, here it is 5. 5 plus 5, 10, K is 5. Okay, na? Minus 5, 5. Total, it is 10. So, answer is 5. Option A. Chalo, next one. In ratios, one of the important concept called, okay, partnership. Partnership means it is directly proportional to person investment and also time. A started business with 30,000. After 4 months, B joined him with 40,000. 30,000, 40,000. Okay. C joined them after some more time with 50,000. C gets 15,000 out of 49,000. How many months after B joined the business did C join? Okay. $30,000 into 12 months. So time is 1 year. Investment into time. This is for A. For B it is 40,000 into, it is 4. After 4 months he joined. So 12 minus 4, he stayed in the business for 8 months. Next, C came with 50,000, but we don't know what is time. 12 3s are 36, 8 4s are 32, 5 into T, 5T. So, out of total profit, what is total profit? 49,000. In this, C profit is 15,000. How to find C profit? His ratio 5T by total. Total means 36 plus 32, how much? 68 plus 5T into, what is the total amount? 49,000 is equal to 15,000. Okay. We have to simplify this. Both the sides zeros gets cancelled. If you do this after doing cross multiplication, we will get the answer option B. Okay, na? This is the actual procedure. Of course, it is bit lengthy. After attempting easy questions, try to come back to this question and attempt, because this partnership topic is always easy. You cannot skip the questions. Maybe sometimes they are lengthy, but okay, you can solve the question at least in the second round. Next one. 2 liters of water is evaporated on boiling from 8 liters of sugar solution containing 5% sugar. In 8 liters, 5% of sugar is there. From this 8 liters, 2 liters gone. What is remaining? 6 liters. They are asking what is the sugar percentage in this 6 liters. See, water is evaporated means what is the quantity of sugar? Sugar will be same. Sugar won't evaporate. Sugar will be same. It means simply very simple step is 5% of 8 will give sugar quantity. Same quantity will be there in 6 liters also. Have you got 6? 8 minus 2. So it is k percentage of 6. They are equal. We don't know what percentage, but they are equal. So both the sides percentage gets cancelled. 8 5s are 40 by 6. 6.66. That's all. Option actually 6.66. Next one. One question is from time and work. A can do 1/4 of work in 10 days. B can do 1/3 of work in 20 days. In how many days A and B able to complete work together? Very simple question. A completes 1/4 in 10 days. So what about one work? 40 days. This is about A. About B, B can do 1/3 of the work in 20 days. So one work in 3 into 20, how much? 60. A is doing work in 40 days. B is doing work in 60 days. Now, if they work together, how many days they will take? Go with LCM method. What is LCM of this 40 and 60? LCM is equal to 120. So A can do 120 by 40 means 3 units in a day. B can do 120 by 60 means 2 units in a day. Okay, now? Next one. Both are working together. Both are working together. So A and B, they can do 3 units plus 2 units in a day, 5 units. If both are working, they'll complete 5 units in a day. Total work is 120 per day. 5 means 120 by 5, 24 days required. Option B. Option B is the answer. How is date written in the code language? Coding and decoding questions are always easy. You have to pick from only given statements. What is D? It's a dollar symbol. What is A? Where is A? Third one, at the rate. What is T? Percentage symbol. What is E? Hash. This is the answer. So just 1 and 2 enough, okay? 21. What are the options here? Okay, options are given like this: 1 and 2, first option. Second one is only 2 and 3. Third one is only 1, either 2 or 3, and none. So what is the answer then? To find data, this D is must from 1, but ATE, you can take from second or third. So it is actually option C given. It is second or third and 1. Take this option, okay? First one and second or third required. Look at this. One question is from Venn diagrams, okay? There are some people both fish and meat available. Some took only fish, some took only meat. There were some vegetarians also, means outside of these two circles. Few are accepted both fish and meat. Say this is fish circle, this is meat circle. Some are eating both, only fish here, only meat here. Some are accepting both. Where are the vegetarians? They are outside. All are in the party. So which option is correct? Option A. Option A. That's all. Statements and conclusions are always nice questions, okay? They'll ask nice things in the questions. Look at the statements. What is the basic procedure to solve such type of questions? Based on the statements, try to draw Venn diagrams. All desks are pillars. All pillars are circles. Some circles are squares. Some squares are rectangles. This is the diagram. Conclusions. Some rectangles are pillars, some rectangles are pillars. You can't say this. False. Some circles are desk. Desks are inside of circles. So some part of circle belongs to desk. This is correct. Some squares are desk. Squares and desk nowhere related. You cannot say. So only second one. Option C. That's all. If x and y are positive integers and 17 power x power y is equal to 17 power 17, what is the average of x and y? Simple question. X into y, xy. This side 17 power 17. So when bases are equal, powers are equal, so xy equal to 17. X is 1, y is 17 because this is a prime number. Now they are asking what is the average of these two. 1 plus 17 by 2, answer 18 by 2 means 9. Where is 9? Option C. Simple question. So what is required? Basic number systems knowledge required. How powers are equal. And you should know what is the average of, how to find the average of the numbers. So CSAT is not about reading all 20 or 30 chapters separately. CSAT is all about how you interconnect, okay, how you link different concepts from different chapters. That is important, right? Number systems questions they can ask in averages, they can ask fractions in time and work, they can ask percentages in profit and loss, okay. So one last question. Sequence is 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1. What is this first of all? It is a different series. 1. How many times it is given? Only one time. Write down this one. Okay? You are saying 1 time 1. It means 1, 1. How many ones are there? 2. Write down 2. 2 times 1 means 2, 1. This 2, 1. How many 2s are there? Only one time. So 1, 2. How many 1s are there? Only one time. 1, 1. Next. 1, 2, 3. 3 1s. Okay, sorry. Okay, now, chalo, next. For this 1, 1, 1. For this 2, 1, 2. For this 1, 1, 2 times. That's why 2, 1. Next. 3 1s given. Write down 3. 1. So your option should start with 3, 1. Means option A. because in the last one 3 ones given, so write down 3 then 1. Okay, no need to work on the remaining numbers because with 3 1 only one option is given, option A. So number series questions are always sometimes they are a bit difficult. So this is all about CSAT mock test which contains 25 questions. Okay. So in number systems it is very important. First you must complete number systems. It is useful for all the quant and reasoning chapters. Last year also they asked 23 questions. In 2025 CSAT paper they asked 25 questions, 23 to 25. Even in 2024 they asked 22 or 23 questions. Every year we are getting 20 questions only from number systems. So without this it is not easy to get good score in CSAT paper. Okay. So thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, you can always post your doubts in our channel. Okay, we'll definitely reply you. Thank you so much for attending the session. All the best.